This is the hard manufacturing critical care crib with antimicrobial confetti epoxy finish. This antimicrobial coating prevents the growth of bacteria and harmful microorganisms, including E. coli. Our full line of electric cribs are driven by state-of-the-art linear actuators, providing a combination of ease of use by the caregiver with smooth and quiet movement of the crib to reduce disturbance to the patient. The electric staff control display panel is located on the left-hand side foot end post, allowing for easy yet safe access. The control panel has easy-to-read universal symbols for the various crib movements, including head and foot movement, Trendelenburg, reverse Trendelenburg, and high-low adjustments, and moves for convenient access at the foot and side of the crib. The high-low movement allows for quick and easy access to the patient. We strongly urge our customers to never leave a patient unattended while the crib is in the highest position. Pressing the head end elevation button adjusts the crib end up approximately 30 degrees. Additionally, the foot end can be elevated up to a lesser degree to maximize patient comfort and support their care plan. Note the elevation tilt indicator on both sides of the crib, displaying the new head elevation. Our newest feature, the CPR release, allows for the quick return of the crib platform to the lowest flat position in the event of an emergency. By pressing one button, the patient will be quickly and safely returned to the lowest flat position in order for immediate patient care to be administered if needed. The staff control panel can be locked by the caregiver to reduce any risk of injury to the overly active young patient attempting to play with the controls. Hold each lockout button for a few seconds until the light turns on. To unlock, repeat the same process. Our electric crib line can be equipped with a battery backup and under crib light that can be purchased with the product initially or added and installed at the hospital at a later time. Both features are ideal for emergency situations or when transporting the patient in the crib within the facility. Whenever the crib is powered up at first use or after being unplugged without an activated battery backup, the electric controls need to be reset. The lights will flash on the control panel until the user depresses both high-low buttons simultaneously and holds them for a few seconds. Once the flashing stops, the crib is ready for use. The WaySafe scale control panel with its eye level readout is located on the right-hand side foot end post. Turn the scale on by pressing the on-off button once. The hard manufacturing logo will appear on the display screen, followed by the current weight. If the word motion appears on the display, wait a few seconds for the crib to stabilize. The crib must be stable to weigh accurately. Follow your hospital's protocol to weigh a patient. To establish a new zero baseline, you must zero out for inaccurate reading. Place the infant in the crib. For demonstration purposes, we're going to use a 10-kilogram weight. The current weight will immediately be displayed in kilograms. Please note that the WaySafe scale operates in kilograms with 1 decimal point. The scale is designed to be left on at all times and will always display the current weight, and there's no need to turn the scale off. The display backlight will go off after 60 seconds. Just press the display button to illuminate the backlight again. All hard cribs come with our proprietary Flex Shield pressure reduction mattress as a standard feature. Made specifically for hard customers, the pressure reduction mattress fits snugly to prevent patient entrapment. The mattress sits on a solid Pandex surface which gives added support during procedures and facilitates easy cleaning. We also offer hospital-quality fitted polyester rib knit sheets made specifically to fit hard cribs and beds. The Johns Hopkins handle provides the safest and most secure locking of the side and end rails available on the market. To meet medical device safety standards set up by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and Consumer Product Safety Commission, the handle requires 2 separate motions to activate. Lift and then squeeze. When raising or lowering the rails, the adult simply lifts up the rail and squeezes the handle. Lower rail to secure into position. The red tabs will fit securely into a notch on the ends and click into place. To reduce wear and tear on the side rails, keep handle squeezed until ready to secure into place. Tug on the rail to ensure the side is locked. Note that if accidentally the rail is not in the locked position, the rail will drop down only to the next stop point, not to the fully open position. Hard critical care cribs have 5 stop points where the rails can be lowered and secured into place to meet the specific needs of the caregiver and patient. When all 4 sides are lowered, staff has 360-degree access to the patient. The critical care crib comes with 4 Portland access gates, 2 on each side. These access points temporarily remove 2 bars and give staff easy access to the patient without lowering the side rails. Open by using 2 fingers and then squeezing to open gate. Once closed, pull on the bar to ensure it is locked back into place. Other standard features on the Hard Manufacturing Critical Care Crib are the 5-inch heavy-duty casters, including 2 casters with brakes diagonal to each other, 1 regular caster and 1 steer caster. The steer caster will keep the crib on a straight track while in the transport mode. The crib comes with 4 IV poles to accommodate multiple bags. Under crib shelf for convenient storage, available with and without cutouts for oxygen tanks. We provide a bracket to hang a portable monitor. 4-corner bumper system to reduce wear and tear. Teething rails on the top edge of all side rails provide a safe environment for the patient, as well as being useful for securing hospital items on crib rails without damaging crib paint. On each crib, you'll find a manufacturer sticker under the foot end that shows the crib model number and date of manufacture. For cleaning, Hard recommends any non-abrasive cleaning disinfecting solution that meets their hospital protocol. Note, mattresses should be wiped down and never immersed in liquid. Hard ships all cribs and youth beds to U.S. hospitals fully assembled from our factory in Buffalo, New York. Hard Manufacturing hospital cribs carry a 5-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship for all non-expendable parts and components. Hard is dedicated to helping young patients around the world to improve their quality of life by providing the best products for them and their caregivers. Please visit our website at hardmfg.com or call us at 800-873-4273 if you have any questions.